If you take a gentleman who's deficient in all these hormones and you just put testosterone in there, he'll come in and think, oh, testosterone's going to fix all my problems because it sounds cool. It's marketable. It's like selling a thirsty guy a glass of water. Everyone wants more testosterone. But in reality, it's pregnenolone, DHEA, thyroid, melatonin all together that actually do what guys are hoping testosterone will do.
Well said. I tell my middle-aged and older men that look, they're all in on testosterone, all in. Hey, most of them, hey, the more the better, but they're all in on testosterone. And I tell these men that the way you win this mind game, this battle between your ears, is that you need to approach every one of those hormones as you do testosterone. The better the levels, the better the benefits. That's what this is all about. We're trying to obtain optimal levels so that you obtain more benefit from each hormone and at the same time balancing that against any unwanted side effects. And men will say, well, I've been told that I don't need these other hormones, especially if I got normal levels. And they're at 40, 50, 60 years old. You realize that the normal levels for 40, 50, and 60-year-old man for like DHEA, for instance, is a lot lower than the normal range for a 22-year-old man that's over 400. So the goal of what we're doing is maintaining these levels as you age in your 40s, 50s, and 60s, just as they were when you were in your 20s. So in an optimal level. And I'll ask those men, so you're okay with testosterone? Yep, that's what I want. Well, your levels are normal. Why do you want testosterone if your levels are normal? Well, because I've read that it didn't matter if they're normal. I could still have problems. Well, that is correct. You read that correct. But yet you're willing to start testosterone at your age with a normal level, but you're not willing to start any of your other foundational hormones because you have normal levels. That doesn't make sense to me.